No. We're going to play a game tomorrow, and you can win them. If you come and play a chemistry game, you can win one. Okay, so here we go. One more time. You're going to come up here, and I'm going to give you a star. I'm going to give you a cylinder, and I'm going to give you this circle bead. Okay, these are the 3 isotopes. They look like this. Cylinder, pony bead, and star. Okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the back lab tables and you're going to mass them. So you're going to get the mass of the star, let's say it's 1.0 grams, the mass of the pony bead, let's say it's 1.5 grams, and the mass of this cylinder bead, let's say it's 2 grams. That information is going to be recorded on your lab, if I can find it. That's how I feel. Right here, where it says mass number of each isotope. The star, the round pony bead, and the cylinder. It's in the middle column. After you get that, you're going to count the number of isotopes in your sample. So bring me these 3 things back to the front of the room. These 3 things go back to me, and I'm going to hand you one of these boxes. Okay? In the box, there is a mixture, there is a combination of those beads. Don't worry about the colors of the beads, that doesn't matter. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. You're going to have 4 pony beads and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the cylinders. Those numbers are going to go right here. Number of atoms of isotope in your sample. Then you're going to find the total number of isotopes or total number of atoms in your sample by adding these 3 boxes up. In our case, it's going to be 15. Hold on, let me go back to the other screen. 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. And then you're going to calculate your percent. So the percent of the star is going to be 6 divided by 15 times 100. The percent of the pony bead is 4 divided by 15 times 100. And the cylinder is 5 divided by 15 times 100. And you're going to get 3%. Those 3% are going here. Percent isotope in your sample. Now this whole thing is filled out. Don't forget to record your sample number. So anyway, you've got your whole thing filled out. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to do the work. How do you do the work? Well, the work is going to be your percent times your mass plus the percent times the mass plus the percent times the mass for each of these 3 things. And you're going to add them all together. And that number that you get will be your average isotopic mass. Average isotopic mass. And you're going to put it in this box. When you click on it on the Google Classroom, all you have to do is double click these because I put boxes in. So just double click in and then you can just type. You don't have to worry about putting like little text boxes or something. I did it for you already. I want to see your work. If that means that you need to use your phone to take a picture of it, that's fine. If you don't want to, you can just click in here and you can type your work if you want. But I want to see that you know how to put that together because on a Regents, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this. Okay? Everybody understand what they're going to do? All right, I just taped this. I'll attach it to the lab in your actual lab. You can get started whenever you're ready.